Hi, welcome to Roll Your Mat. Work from home has become a new normal nowadays. Do you always sit at home working or scrolling FBIG?
You are as young as your spine.
So get your butt off the couch and exercise. Want to practice yoga but feel stiff and not your thing?
No worry, everybody can practice yoga.
Just roll around your mat and show up. Today I'm going to share about forward fold. Forward fold has a lot of benefits. Stretch your back, glutes, hamstring, ease bloating, constipation, and calms your mind. Let's begin with standing straight. Feet hip width apart. Toes are pointing straight forward. Fold forward from your hip with back straight and hands on thigh. Slide your hands downward until the point before you get a rounded spine. Strong legs here. Shift the weight of feet slightly forward, so you have even weight distributed on both your feet, hip on top of ankle. You may explore further by placing your palms downward or hugging your ankles or back of your knees. Relax your neck and draw shoulders away from ears. Stay on your chosen height for a few deep breaths. Option 1. If you tend to have rounded back during forward fold, stretch out your back on higher height where your back is still straight. It can be on blocks, chair, bed, or any stable platform in your house. Neck is lengthened here, hip on top of ankle. This is a good stretch if you always sit in front of computer or look at a handphone. Form a long line from your back to your neck and arms. Keep inhaling and exhaling deeply here. Use hand to press yourself up slowly to standing position. Option 2. If you want to progress into deeper forward fold, use a wall as your feedback to assist yourself to go deeper into forward fold. You may feel like you are tipping over, but do not worry. Believe in yourself and the wall. Just stand strong on your legs. I feel this is better than somebody pushing you down, because you can control how deep you want in this position. Stay for 5 breaths. Observe your breath in this pose. When you are ready to release the pose, press your hands on the floor. Then shift your legs backward to give yourself space to come up slowly. There may be infinite options to practice a yoga pose, but the most suitable for you is the one you found through consistent practice. Practice makes progress. Just roll out your mat and practice today.